waist taken in. Your waist is too slim and your jean is gapping back here. The seat fits perfect, but we're just gonna get rid of all this, all right? So what we can do is you center seam, you pinch in. If your jean has too much stretch, you can pull in more. But make sure your customer or friend doesn't say it's too tight. And you can ask him how you feeling. If they're saying too tight, slightly release. And what you'll do is just mark, just follow through, or you can pin